What if I told you the secret to drawing anything perfectly is to actually draw nothing at all? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to teach you a mind-bending technique called negative space drawing that would instantly level up your art skills, even if you're a total beginner. Today, we're flipping the script on how you see the world. Normally, when we draw, we focus on the object itself, the positive space. But your brain has a lot of preconceived, cartoonish ideas of what a finger or a wrist should look like, which throws off your proportions. Today we are going to draw the empty space around the hand. This is negative space. By drawing these abstract background shapes, we trick our brains into seeing true angles and proportions. Grab a pencil and a sketchbook and let's dive into our reference. Take a look at the reference photo, the hand making the OK sign. Let's start on the left-hand side. I want you to completely ignore the wrist and the thumb. Instead, look at the blank paper next to it. Look at the sweeping curve that dips into the sharp V shape. That's not a hand. It's just an abstract shape. Lightly outline the boundary where the background meets the left side of the hand. Once you have that weird puzzle piece drawn, grab your pencil and shade the whole background in. Notice what just happened. By shading the empty space, a perfectly proportioned piece of a hand just magically appeared out of the blank paper. If this light bulb moment is already blowing your mind, remember to smash that like button and subscribe to the Portrait Guru. It really helps me out, and make sure you don't miss out on any more easy, game-changing drawing hacks just like this one. Alright, let's get back to the sketch. Next, we need to find what artists calls trapped negative space. In our reference, that's the little window of air created by the thumb and the index finger touching. Again, forget that these are fingers. Just look at the shape of the dark hole itself. It looks like a wonky little diamond, doesn't it? Or maybe a jagged teardrop. If you're enjoying this video, I'll link another video in the top right corner there, which is another negative space exercise that you can do. Focus on the angles of that shape and lightly sketch it onto your paper. Now, shade that little island in. Look at how incredibly powerful this is. You haven't drawn a single line to represent a finger, yet the OK gesture is already showing right on the page. Finally, let's tackle the right side of the hand. Look at the space between the 3 extended fingers and the right edge of the paper. Notice how the background slices into the hand, creating jagged little triangles of empty space between the knuckles. Follow these lines down the side of the pinky finger and straight down the wrist. Take your time to observe the dips and the curves. Then, take your pencil and shade all that right hand side background in. Don't be afraid to go dark with your pencil to make the white of the paper really stand out. And drop me a comment below telling me how you got on. Did it mess with your head at first? Did your drawing turn out better than you expected? Let me know in the comments. And I recommend you doing this drawing exercise with a soft pencil. For example, a B, a 2B, a 4B, anything with B after the number. And there you have it. Take a step back and look what you've created. You didn't actually draw a hand today. You drew a collection of random abstract puzzle piece shapes. But when they lock together, the unshaded paper leaves behind a perfectly proportioned, realistic hand. This exercise is the ultimate gym workout for an artist's eyes. It teaches you to draw what you actually see, not what you think you see. Now I have a challenge for you. Grab a pencil, try this exact exercise right now. Keep practicing, keep looking at the empty spaces, and I highly recommend you checking out this video to help you with shading coming up.